Yes! Use your water and spray out of the fire. It's done? Okay, great job, rescue team.
Welcome to Story Review! Yay!
We're having a fun day at the racing track. The Snoopy bus is going through the tunnel. He's joining the racetrack. Looks like he's in the wrong direction. Looks like the Lamborghini is in the wrong direction. It should be going the other side. It's correct. It's in the correct direction. Wow, that's great. Looks more of a traffic jam than a racing track. So many people racing. And what car is this green one? It's a Lamborghini. And your yellow? Yes, that one. Oh, and you got a red racing car here. And you got a nice van over there. Can I see your rescue team? Show me. Oh, what's that? It's your police car from the rescue team. Oh, what red car is that? Huh? The red car, what is that? The red one there. In front of your orange car, yes. It's a Porsche. And what car is this? It's a Nissan. Yeah. And this one, the red one? Ferrari. Can we have a closer look? Is it really a Ferrari? Wow. Check it out, man. It's a Ferrari F430 GT. Looking good. Yeah. What car is that you're holding? Oh, what's the number on the car? Oh, great job. Does it have a number? No. Oh, check it out. What's that? What are you holding? Can I see? It's a Panda truck. It's carrying pandas. And this one, what is that? Yes, it's a Toys R Us double-decker bus. Oh, you're gonna show the fire engine as well? Okay. And where did you get this from? From McDonald's Happy Meal. Did it make you happy? Yes. And what is this? Yes. It's got a number. What number is that? 56. And what is this? Ha! Looks like Koopa from Super Mario. But he's a turtle, right? Okay. And this one, who is this? Oh, can you sing the song?
Robocar, Robocar, Robocar Poli. Robocar, Robocar, Robocar Poli.
Alright, great job. Oh, and this car? What's this? It's a Batman.
This one.
What's that?
It's the color changer car.
It's your color changer car. Let's put it here. Look, there. Then we can see it. Can you see it?
Yes. Oh, the car is there. The BMW.
Is that a BMW?
Yes. And the BMW police car.
There's a BMW police car. Oh, it's an ice cream truck where? Here. Can you see that? It's an ice cream truck.
Yellow car.
Yellow car. Wow, you love showing your cars? Oh, that's a truck. Yeah, it's a truck. Another Lamborghini. The green one is coming in. Whoa! How many Lamborghinis do you have? What car is that? How many BMWs do you have? Can I see your other BMW? Eh? Whoa! Check it out! Zoom zoom! Wow! What colors are your BMWs? And your Lamborghinis? Wow, that's nice. Oh, and I see you got two cars over there. What car is that? Oh, that looks like a very nice car. Can you open the doors? Wow, what car is that? You have another Porsche. I think you have 3. Where is the garbage truck? Can we have a look? Ooh. Another Porsche is coming in. It's coming in very fast. Wow! Oh, look at that Porsche go. Oh, and you have a very special car over here. What is that? Where? Wow! The McQueen belongs on the racetrack. Can we have a look at your green one? Wow! And what about this one? Looks like a big mean fella. It's a monster truck. Oh, and what is that? Overturned vehicle over there? What? Volkswagen. I think they call it Volkswagen. Huh? Makes you confused, right? I mean. Oh, and I think you have a Chevrolet over here. Is that a Chevrolet? Check it out. You still have some more cars. Oh, whoa, you got so many cars over here. Oh, look at this. You wanna go take some more cars? I think we've seen all your cars, man. What happened to all the cars? It looks like an accident pileup. Alright, we're at the racetrack now and looks like there's another pileup. What's happening? What sound does your fire engine make? Come on. We need to call the rescue team. Oh, looks like all the cars are too busy knocking each other. Oops. Yes! Yes, the monster truck is going on top of all the other cars. Look at that fella go! Yes, that is funny. Oh no! I think you need some help over here. Is there a fire? Yes. Can you show me where's the fire? Yes, the fire is there. Show me again. Yes, it's there. Come on, let's go and save everybody. Yes. Use your water and spray out all the fire. It's done? Okay, great job, rescue team. Oh, you need a tow truck? Go and get the tow truck. Oh, can we use the car carrier? Yes. Okay, let's load up all the cars. Oops. The police car had an accident as well. Oh no.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.